Hey guys, it's Jenna G. Today we're going to be working with chicken wings and we're going to be preparing some absolutely delicious fried pepper wings. I'm going to start off by cutting the wings into 2 pieces and also removing some of that fatty skin. Cutting it just makes it easier to work with and also eat. Once they're properly cleaned and rinsed, I'm going to be seasoning them with some garlic powder, Chinese seasoning, and cayenne pepper. I'm mixing this well and then I'm going to allow it to marinate just for a little while or as long as possible. So while the wings are marinated, I'm going to be slicing up some pimentos or flavor peppers, some hot peppers, and onions. Now if you don't have the pimentos, you can use chili peppers or any other pepper that you have on hand. To coat the wings, I'll be using cornstarch and all-purpose flour in a 1:1 ratio. To this mixture, you can add some garlic powder and some more cayenne pepper as well, depending on how spicy you want your wings. Next, I'm going to be coating each piece of chicken on both sides with this mixture. Now, depending on how much butter you would like to have when you finished wings, you can double dip and use egg. So what you can do is first coat the wings with the cornstarch mixture and then coat it with some egg and then more of the cornstarch mixture. I prefer less batter though, so I'm not double dipping. So once all the wings have been coated, I'm going to set them aside just for a few minutes to ensure that that flour and cornstarch mixture holds well to the chicken before we fry them. Now it's time to fry those wings. So add them to a pot with oil, ensuring that you don't overcrowd the pot. Now don't let the oil get too hot as well, because you want to make sure the insides cook through properly. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on the size of your chicken. So for this step, if you want to eliminate the oil, that's fine. You can actually put it in the air fryer. So what you can do is spray it with some avocado oil and then just pop it into the air fryer for about 15-20 minutes, depending on the size of the wings. Actually, it could take less or more or less time. So once all the wings are finished cooking, we're going to set them aside, and now it's time to work on that extra spicy pepper part of it. So in the wok, I'll be melting some butter over low heat. Now you can use the avocado oil instead if you wish, but the butter adds some extra richness to it. Once the butter is melted, in goes those onions and the sliced up peppers. I'm going to be cooking these just for a few minutes until the onions are nice and tender. I'm also going to be adding a pinch of salt and black pepper and more of that cayenne pepper and also chili flakes, but when it's almost finished cooking. Next, I'm going to be adding in those fried chicken wings. I'm going to be mixing it well to make sure that it's coated nicely with that spicy butter sauce. And just like that, guys, our fried pepper wings are finished. So one thing to note, the chili flakes, don't add them in too soon, whether you're using the oil or the butter. If it cooks for too long, it's going to leave a bitter taste in your mouth and you're not going to like that at all. So these fried pepper wings are absolutely delicious and you all need to try them. So I gave you all some variation. You could swap out the frying in the oil for the spraying with the avocado oil and put it in the air fryer. And you could also eliminate the butter and use some avocado oil in it as well. All depends on you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give these a try. I think you will absolutely love them. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think about it. Of course, double bit dip if you want with the batter as well. So thanks as always for watching. Always so very much appreciated. When you do try this, be sure to send me those photos. So I'll see you all in my next video.